In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can make $100 per day with the Nike affiliate program. Now, the Nike affiliate program is a very good opportunity because there's a number of ways that you can promote these products and make some passive income. So watch this entire video as I show you how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. The Nike affiliate program, it is a very good opportunity to make some passive income, and you don't even have to stand in line to buy shoes. The reason why I like the Nike affiliate program is because they pay up to 11% commission. There is a 30-day cookie window, and Nike is an incredibly popular product. In addition, when people buy items from Nike, they don't just buy one item typically. The cart value can be anywhere between $100 and $500. So you really only need 3 or 4 sales per day in order to make your target of $100 per day. So let's go ahead and figure out how to get started. I've Googled Nike affiliate program and it takes me to this page. It talks a little bit about what you need to do, but when you click apply now, you actually apply to a third-party site called Awim. Now, not everybody gets accepted into this program, so you will need to have a website, you'll need to have a YouTube channel, one of those two things to show that you are actually building an audience and have a following. As you can see here with this affiliate program, it's through Awim. You get up to 11% commission, but you don't get necessarily a commission on everything, and it's up to 11%. So just know that going into it, but there is still very good opportunity. So let's go back over to Nike.com and look at some of the products that you could promote and make money, because there is a ton of opportunity with this affiliate program. So we go back to Nike, and the cool thing is Nike has men, women apparel, and they have apparel by sport. So this is what I would do. If I were just getting started, I would look at doing a few different things. I would look at Twitter, I'd look at Facebook groups, and I'd look at creating a YouTube channel. So let's get into each one of those. First of all, with a Facebook group, what you could do is you could create a Facebook group around your favorite NBA team. You could create multiple groups around all of the NBA teams. Because NBA is the exclusive partner with Nike, you can actually promote individual teams. So you don't even have to be a fan of the Chicago Bulls. What you could do is you could create a Facebook group around the Chicago Bulls, and then you could pin new apparel as it gets dropped in the Nike store. And it's actually really easy. So if we go over to facebook.com, and I'm sure you'll see people that are doing this, you would simply just create a free Facebook group and then pin whatever product is new and is interesting that's going to get people to click and buy. So I'm here at facebook.com. I'm just going to go up and search groups for Chicago Bulls and the NBA. You're going to see there are a ton of people that are interested in these groups because it's their favorite team. They want to read information, they want to read stories, they want to learn and be in a community of people that are like-minded individuals. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search Chicago Bulls, and you're going to see the number of opportunities that are there. Now, it's key that you create your own group and you don't just try and spam your affiliate links in other people's groups, because that's the quickest way to get kicked out. All right, so I'm just going to search Chicago Bulls here, and what you're going to do is you're simply going to, as you can see here, these are the top 2 are the official Facebook pages and groups. I'm just going to go down to groups here, and what you'd want to do is post a few different times per day with regard to your team. Now, again, we're talking about the Chicago Bulls. It can be the Lakers, Celtics, whatever it is, but this top result here is a private group. It has 5.4 thousand members. The next one below that, 3.4 thousand members, and these people are posting multiple times per day. Look at this Bulls Nation right here, 37,000 members. It's a private group, and it has over 120 posts per day. If you put your affiliate link to the latest gear, let's say this jersey right here, this is a pretty cool looking jersey. If you post a link to this jersey and say, hey, look, this new jersey's just dropped, guys, check it out, people are going to click on the link and they're going to buy the product. You get 15 people to buy the product, you've already made $100 per day, and you can rotate them. And the cool thing with apparel, with sports apparel, especially team sports, is they come out with new apparel every single year. And then even within the year, they'll also release new things. Anytime, let's say, One example is St. Patrick's Day. The Chicago Bulls will have green jerseys for St. Patrick's Day, and that gives you an opportunity to promote the green jerseys. There's going to be a group of people that buy it. There's going to be an opportunity to make money. So this is just one way. It's just creating a Facebook group. The next thing you can do is you can engage with people on Twitter. Now, I showed this method last week. It's potentially the fastest way that you can make money online. Is you jump over to Twitter, you look over on the Explore page, and you figure out what's trending. Last week, Steph Curry from the Golden State Warriors actually reached a milestone. I don't remember exactly what that milestone was, but he reached a milestone and people were talking about it. It was trending over on Twitter. What you would do is you jump back over, grab your affiliate link for the Golden State Warriors. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Golden State Warriors. Grab your affiliate link and then boom, post your Stephen Curry jersey. People click and buy that jersey and you get paid a commission. Now, when you are over on Twitter, you don't want to just spam your affiliate links. Add some relevant information. You could say something like, congratulations, Steph, a great achievement. Get his jersey now. You link to that jersey, people click and buy, you make a commission, and it's relatively easy. It's easy to do if there are games on, because there will always be people talking about a game that's happening. And let's jump over. I'm just going to search NBA real quick. NBA, and let's see, NBA 2K21. This is a video game, but this could be a good opportunity, and it's right now it appears to be trending. As you can see, people are unable to connect to the server. What you could do is say, while you're waiting to connect back to the server, check out some of the hottest gear from the Pelicans. The top result here was Zion Williamson. He works for he plays for the Pelicans, and so you could actually link to his jersey and tell them to pick it up. So again, Twitter is a very good opportunity for sports teams for trending things, as well as Facebook, because you are talking to a very specific group of people. You are talking to fans of a team that want to build a community around that team. The only thing you need to do if we're talking about Facebook again, is post a couple times per day with relevant news and information regarding that team, maybe the updated schedule, the scores, top scores. You can find this information over on Google. People are going to come to your channel, come to your Facebook group because they're interested in that team. They're going to be a part of the community, and it's going to be relatively easy to get started. The third thing that you can do is actually create a YouTube channel revolving around the best products. Now, what you can do, if we jump back over to Nike.com here, we could say the best shoes for running, best running shoes for, or best training clothes for. So if I'm over here on YouTube, I'm going to search training clothes. We'll say training clothes or athletic clothes. So I just searched training clothes. It could be athletic clothes. As you can see, the top result here, 5.21 million subscribers, 539,000 views from a year ago. We could do, let's say best shoes for, as you can see, best shoes for men, best shoes for running. This is going to get a lot of results because there are going to be a lot of people that want to get into running, or maybe a lot of people that are looking for new shoes because their feet hurt. As you can see here, the top result here, 650,000 subscribers. The top result, 380,000 views. The result after that, 33,000 subscribers, 293,000 views. So there's a lot of good opportunity, and you could do that for each one of these. So if we go back over to Nike and we go to men's, and let's say we go to, we'll go to lifestyle shoe. And we could say we'll do best lifestyle shoe for, and we'll see if people are searching it. So we'll say best lifestyle shoe. As you can see, best lifestyle shoes. We click search there. And as you can see, top result from 2 years ago, 765,000 subscribers, 822,000 views. There's opportunity there. As you can see, whenever you see a one-to-one, or you see that there's more views than subscribers, that means there's an opportunity to create content and get in front of those people. Best lifestyle shoes for, we hit the space bar. And let's see, we could add 2021 to give us even more opportunity, not 2010, 2021. We type in, so this is best summer shoes for 2021. As you can see, top result, 72,000 views. As you can see, those are Nikes right there, 20,000 views. So that means there's opportunity. This was uploaded just a month ago. If we go back over here and we look, we can see that there's a lot of opportunity. Another thing we could do is we could copy this over here, Nike Blazer Mid 77. and we could create content around this. So we'll go Nike, I think it was Blazer. As you can see, people, Nike Blazer mid 77, there is a ton of people that are creating content or a ton of questions being asked about this content. So that means that there's opportunity there. Top result, 47,000 views from just 2 months ago. This person only has 1.47 thousand subscribers. So we know that there's an opportunity here. We know that people are so in love with and interested in sneakers. So it's going to be a very good opportunity. The result below that, 22,000 views, 32.8 thousand subscribers. So there's an opportunity here. Essentially, you could go through and you could do this for each one of the Nike shoes and you will eventually hit. For some reason, I'm in the United States, and so for some reason I'm getting results that are European, but this can work for anywhere, and you can do this over and over again. So the different ways that I would do this, you can either talk about individual products like I showed you with the Nike Mid. You could create a YouTube channel with the best shoes for, or best running shoes for, best lifestyle shoes for. You can create a Facebook group dedicated to individual sports teams. Now this would have to be the NBA. The NFL, you'd have to go through like the NFL affiliate program. So if we go back over to it's under men's NBA, we could do a Facebook group for the Los Angeles Lakers. We can do a blog if you wanted to, but that's going to take a little bit more time. All of the things that I've mentioned are giving you the ability, will give you the ability to start making money relatively fast. As you can see, you can do this for any team. Pick the best players from any and every team, and you can create a blog post about it if you wanted to. You could create a YouTube channel talking about it. Another opportunity is to create a YouTube or a podcast about your favorite team. So if we go to LA Lakers, whoops, we got to spell words right here today, LA Lakers. And as you can see, the top result here are from this top result here. This isn't affiliated with the LA Lakers. There's some Laker results, NBA results, but there are people that are creating content about their favorite sport team. So we could say LA Lakers podcast. And then if we scroll through here, Lakers Nation, I don't believe they're affiliated with the Lakers per se. If we scroll down, there is a lot of opportunity. There's at least 5 different ways that I've listed in this video that you can make money with the Nike affiliate program. They pay up to 11%. They give you a 30-day cookie window. It's almost a no-brainer. So what I would do is I would look to apply to the Nike affiliate program today so that you can start making passive income relatively quick. Now that you know how to make $100 per day with the Nike affiliate program, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the training or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get started today. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.